Ever scroll through YouTube and wonder, how are there so many videos uploaded every minute? How do some channels grow from 0 to 1 million subscribers in weeks? The answer might shock you, and it's changing the future of content forever. Welcome to the new era of content creation. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on how AI videos are raking in cash, why audiences can't look away, and what it means for creators who still, have a pulse. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it's done. Right now, AI channels are taking over the platform, racking up views while their creators sleep. And their creators are cashing in big time. AI channels pumping out videos 24/7, raking in ad revenue, and never showing their face. Check this out. These channels getting millions of views just by creating simple AI clips. YouTube Shorts can earn anywhere from 10 to 16 cents for every 1,000 views. That ranges from $2,600 to $26,000 per video, depending on a number of factors. Right now, AI-generated videos are dominating social media, and their creators are cashing in big time. Want the real blueprint? Stick around. We're exposing exactly how this works. Part 1. Determine the kind of niche. I'll explain how this operates in detail. I'll show you the secret tool that top creators use to find trending niches, because it's nearly impossible to find them manually. This is the part that most people miss. Virlo AI helps you create viral shorts, analyze top accounts, follow trends, and get personalized support to grow your content. Virlo AI enables you stay ahead of viral trends, discover content ideas, best posting time, and trending niches to fuel your growth. Virlo AI works best on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. The video description includes a link to the website. After logging in, you can view popular videos in a variety of categories, including motivation, geography, and more. Each one displays current performance, actual engagement data, and the best moment to post. On the Creators tab, enter or paste the name of the creator from YouTube or TikTok to obtain data. You will then see their complete engagement statistics, viral score, most popular hashtags, and the exact time they post. Additionally, you will receive ideas for your research in any niche you choose. Let's return to creating viral videos with AI now, and I'll show you how to do it step by step with a free method. Part 2. Choose your desired niche. In this tutorial, we'll reverse engineer those viral car tools that cause destruction. You will gradually discover how to break down them, replicate the same wild images, and construct your own content creation apparatus. Step 1. Identify one successful YouTube channel from the niche that is getting millions of views. This technique isn't limited to luxury car accidents. Once you figure out the formula, you can use it for any kind of video. Step 2. After identifying the channel, head over to their Instagram page and pick one of their best clips. This video here has almost 2.9 million views, which shows the enormous mining dump truck rolling over the black Rolls-Royce. Next, copy the video's link, launch your browser, and search for Instagram Video Downloader. Select the first website that shows up, and paste the Instagram link and click Download. And right away, the source document is available for use. Now for the exciting part. To feed the video into ChatGPT, we need 3 crucial moments. I start by pausing the video at the exact second when the vehicle is parked beneath the truck's front grille. Windows users can access the snipping tool by pressing the Windows key, Shift key, and S. The snipping tool can be accessed on Macs by pressing and holding the Shift plus Command plus 5 keys. You don't even need to save the file. Just paste it into ChatGPT. Then, I fast forward a few frames and pause it again when the front wheels of the dump truck are either halfway on top of the car. And finally, I pause, as the truck's enormous tires are descending directly onto the hood of the Rolls-Royce, and that's the last shot. Next, I'll provide ChatGPT with a written prompt to accurately recreate the images and video. Don't worry, I'll include it in the description below so you can easily copy and paste it. In an instant, ChatGPT transforms into your very own personal director, doling out stunning, detailed image prompts to recreate that opening shot and accompanying video prompts to give it life. Part 3. Image Generation. For image generation, we will use Leonardo AI. It gives you 150 tokens every day, and that's more than enough to generate our images. To get started, click the Get Started button and create a free account. Click on the Image tab, select on the Phoenix style, set it to 3D render, and choose a 9:16 aspect ratio. Copy the image prompt that ChatGPT made based on our screenshots and then go to Leonardo AI. Paste your prompt and click Generate. Based on your prompt, Leonardo AI quickly comes up with 4 incredibly realistic images. They look good, so I look through them and pick the best one. Part 3. Video Generation. To turn your image into a video, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio and click the first link. It's still totally free and got no watermarks. Click on the Image button and upload the image you just downloaded in Leonardo. Select the portrait mode. Then, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt that was made based on our screenshots. Finally, paste it into Google AI Studio. Click Run, and Google AI Studio will produce an 8-second animated version of your scene in less than a minute, complete with wind, dust clouds, camera movements, and a truck towering over a black Rolls-Royce Phantom. Now that we've recreated one of these viral videos of cars being destroyed, the key question is, how do you maintain the flow of ideas? How do you ensure that you never run out of ideas for new content? Allow ChatGPT to handle the heavy lifting for you by returning to ChatGPT and providing it with this precise prompt. Generate 3 more distinct concepts, each including a meticulously crafted image prompt for initial generation and a corresponding, actionable video prompt designed for animation, maintaining the style and level of detail we established in the previous examples. In an instant, ChatGPT will present you with 3 brand new viral video ideas. These prompts will cover everything, including the concept for the image and the guidelines for the video animation. Now you can run with one of the prompts. To do this, choose a concept that appeals to you, let's say the first one. Then take the image prompt and paste it to Leonardo AI. Alternatively, we can use Ideogram AI to generate images, but the idea remains the same. I used Ideogram AI for this second example. Paste the image prompt and click Generate. Once the image appears, select the best one. Next, grab the video prompt ChatGPT provided. Head over to Google AI Studio and upload your image, paste in that video prompt, and hit Generate. And you have another viral video ready to go in less than a minute. It's that simple and quick. Here are 2 more video examples that I've included. The best part is that, instead of spending hours in front of a camera or using editing software, you can create viral ideas with a few clicks. Part 4. Sound Generation. To create custom sound effects or ones that are relevant to the action in your video, follow these steps. Return to ChatGPT. Ask it for a sound effect prompt that fits your video. Feed it the one you've already created. Copy the sound effect prompt, and then go to 11 Lab. Click on the Sound Effects tab and paste the prompt there. This will create 4 sound effects that are specifically tailored for your clip. Listen to each. Select the one that best suits your needs, and then download it. Then, using any video editor of your choosing, add that sound to your video.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future uploads and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.